Ladies and gentlemen, quickly I wanted to show you how to boost very fast heroes. Dell, build 300 fortifications as Dell. You can boost basically any of these ones if you really wanted. Technically not that one. But you could boost all of these. So I'm going to show you some of the things you could do. Obviously you can't do this in verses. However, you can do escape the same and such. So escape and horde will work the same for this. So we're going to get right into this. As you can tell, I'm in a custom horde. I'm all by myself and I'm going to start it. So now, please do excuse the gameplay a little bit. This is going to be a little bit difficult because I'm going to be playing with one hand. Again, please excuse the guerrilla style photography because I don't have a capture card for this Xbox One at 60 FPS, and yeah, so. And my motherboard actually died, so my other PC is alive still, but it can't handle recording, so we're going to do this real quick, as quickly as we can. Again, please bear with me, this will not be as fast with one hand, but I'm going to show you how to boost that as quickly as you can. So we started it up. I'm going to run over here. Hordes, get the fabricator. Yes, yes, yes. No problem. What button is it? Right stick. Place it down. It's a little difficult with one hand. Now, fabricator, or not fabricator, just so you know, upgrades will not count, okay? So if you were to upgrade, you could upgrade two of those barriers right there. I still had a little bit of energy. I still had enough to do that. It won't count for anything, so don't even waste your time, okay? If you're like, there's no point. You could technically kill an enemy or two or whatever, and then make one more, and then back out for 18. But right there, that's going to be a total of 17. 297. I was at 280, and then I'm at 297 now. Coalition, I really hope you don't change this in all honesty. Mainly because I sometimes, like, I'm not a big Dell player, don't really want to play as Dell and everything. I'm not much of the engineer. In all honesty, that's just not something I like doing. If I'm playing and doing this, I can still earn the medal, so can other people. Maybe there's people that don't like escape mode, whatever, and they can boost in private in a sense, or you know what I mean? Like, I can boost this in Horde. Please don't change this. I like this feature. I think it's good. I don't care if people are boosting as a negative thing. No, it's fucking not. I am not impacting anybody by doing this in a custom lobby. You know, like, this has made my experience in some regards better because I could do this, okay? So I really hope TC, if they ever hear this, see this, whatever, if they know about this or find out about this, if they don't think about it or whatever, I hope they don't nerf it. I hope they don't change it. I really do like this feature. I understand negative boosting in like Halo 3, you know, when you're sitting in TDM, you just stand there and you just die over and over and over and over and over. They're not playing the match, whatever. You know, like I get that kind of thing. Positive boosting in Halo 3, they get 24 kills, they quit out of the match. It still doesn't impact anything if they play the game, in my opinion, more or less. Even if they're playing online or whatever and they're trying to boost in a full lobby, whatever, it's fair. And it's faster. You still gotta do. I still have to build literally all the 300 fortifications. I'm not cheating. I'm not using a code or, you know, like a modding tool. I'm literally just doing that. So, to me, it's not cheap. It's, to me, like, if you want him, I don't. I just want to help people get some of the things that they want. There are things that I would want, and it's basically really, in all honesty, none of these things. So, yeah. Anyway, that's not the point of the matter. I wanted more Locust things, I'll be honest. This is the only Locust thing in the game, and it's very, very disappointing. Other than Rom, who I had to earn in Gears of War 4. Like, I know Rom's in there, but I had to earn him from Gears 4, and he is the only Locust right now. So I'm glad he's there at least, though. I'm, like, really happy that we got a Locust. But please, yes, again, please don't change this. This is a really good thing. It just encourages me to play the game still, not impact anybody, or not have to have a negative opinion about your game saying, oh, I now have to play Horde mode, and play as Dell, who I don't want to fucking play as, or, you know, play as Cat, who I don't want to... Oh, wait, I can't play as Cat for that one. I have to play as Dell. Like, this way, I'm still playing as Dell. I'm still doing the 300 things. I'm doing it faster. Again, like, please, please, to God, keep these fucking things, man. Like, I don't want to have to spend... Like, this took me, like, a little, like, an hour, basically. That's one Horde match. You would not get anywhere near that amount, dude. I had 20, like, and I had played multiple sessions with Dell and everything. I just wasn't going anywhere. Nobody drops energy into the Fabricator when you're JD and all those characters, because they all need to sponge energy in order to put it into themselves to buff their abilities or whatever, like ammo regeneration and or health regeneration, or max, or total health, health capacity in general, and then obviously health regeneration, which are two different things. Or you have obviously ammo capacity for FODs, etc. You know what I mean? Like, or assault rifle damage for Marcus. Those things, they eat all the Fabricator energy half of the fucking time, and nobody builds. Not a lot of people play Jack. Not a lot of people build generators. Not a lot of people put energy into them. Not a lot of people have the cards to boost even more energy. It's not very optimal right now. This is optimal to me. I'm a speedrunner. Please keep this shit. That was optimal. I'm a speedrunner. I love it. It's great. I'm not hurting anybody. I still get to play Gears of War. You know what I mean? Like, you still get your numbers. You still get to tell people there's 20 billion people or whatever online. Please keep this fucking shit. I'm sorry to ramble, people. Please, please, please keep this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, God damn, do I hope TC keeps these kinds of things. Like, it concerns me making a video about it, but I would like people to know. I'd like people to get Dell, or Desert Dell, if they like Desert Dell, or you know, one of try to boost some of the Hive things even, or whatever that were in there, right? Like, Escape is pretty easy. You know, you can just go on beginner with a friend or whatever, even if you're trying to get, like, maybe some of the executions, or yeah, like, let's go to Hive Busters, perform 75 executions and Escape as Lonnie. You maybe don't want a random with you, you know what I mean? So maybe, and you only have 2 people, go into a private session and do it in there, because you're able to. Please, again, I'm sorry to reiterate myself over and over, please, Coalition, do something fucking great for the franchise and keep that shit for once. Versus mode is fucking pointless to play in, like, by your private, other than, oh, I have 6 people, and what do you know, I can't get them in online. But you know what most people do? They just fucking kick the 6th person who joined. Anyway, like, there's nothing to play in, there's nothing to do in privates, you know, like in private versus matches. It doesn't count for anything. And in Gears 4, you couldn't even play Horde offline. You didn't gain any points. There was no fucking point. Here we can earn things. Here we have a reason to still play these things, you know? So, again, I'm sorry to ramble, people. I hope this helps you. I hope you can help get your characters executions, the knee face executions, whatever you're looking for, faster this way. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do, and you want more content like this, how to boost, whatever, how to be optimal in games, whatever, please let me know. I'm very good at these kinds of things in general. I have been since Halo 3, so please do let me know. And same with like, if you want Sapper Star Gears 3 okay, like that, like bam, I can do it. I know runs on checkout that are like a perfect just circle, basically. It kind of works out in the way you do it. It's just really good shit, man. I got it in fucking like one match with one of my buddies. So like basically from the beginning, from not even bronze